Now, Sedona Meadows joins me now. Sedona, you talk with an expert about the most recent COVID numbers.
Yeah, these are some of the highest numbers that we've seen in the last several months. This health expert gave me a breakdown of what's happening with COVID right now and why we may be seeing an increase in cases.
COVID cases are on a gradual rise again within the state, according to Dr. Wes Stubblefield, the district medical officer at Alabama Department of Health.
Back in early April, we were at our lowest numbers after the Omicron surge, which was right around the first of the year. At that time, we were only seeing about 100 cases per day on average, and we've increased to now somewhere around 2,000 cases per day.
Dr. Stubblefield says this is happening for a few reasons. People's antibodies are decreasing from previous vaccination or infection. There was a relaxation on mask wearing inside, and there are new variants.
We've gone through now about 5 different variants of Omicron. It is still all Omicron, but we're just sort of slowly switching these over, and those new variants have the ability to escape the immune system, regardless of the type of immunity that you have.
Although Dr. Stubblefield says it may be too soon to tell if there will be another major surge, right now the newer variants have been less severe.
It still remains to be seen whether this virus might mutate suddenly and cause, a really big spike in cases. Right now, we haven't seen that big spike. We've really just seen this sort of gradual increase over time.
And if you are exposed to COVID or have contracted the virus, the CDC has a calculator that will tell you the right amount of time you should quarantine. And Dr. Stubblefield highly encourages those within the high-risk category to
understand if they're at risk for severe disease, because we know the vaccines still prevent severe disease, and know how to get treatment and how to get testing if they are at high risk and are exposed and are infected.
And Dr. Stubblefield also recommends you to regularly check the CDC's website for the levels of COVID transmission in your county. And tonight at 9, you'll hear how hospitals are being impacted by this latest surge. Sedona Meadows, Fox 54 News.